This episode of TechZulu is brought to you by BuzzVoice. BuzzVoice lets you listen to the web's top news and blogs everywhere.
Hello everybody, Amanda Coulong reporting here for TechZulu.com. We are at the demo conference in Palm Desert, and I am with Jason Katzer of Super Cool School.
Hello.
How are you doing?
I'm doing great. So Super Cool School is a platform that allows anyone to start their own online school. We're trying to do for education what blogs did for publishing. Anyone who's passionate about a subject or an idea or a concept or something such as music can come on, start their own school, and teach the world and build a community around that.
Wow. So customized educational communities.
Yes. Now, the schools are very social. Everyone has a profile, classes they've been taking and teaching and everything like that. And the classroom itself is actually real time. It's very interactive. It's live. You can see some of the screenshots on our website, or even better, go to a school and view a recording from one of the classes that happened live.
So do you incorporate other technologies that have come out recently with social and in terms of the educational space where teachers can go over certain coursework in real time with the students online?
Well, yes, what we're doing is more supplementary education. So we can be used in a traditional education setting for any kind of additional coursework or additional engagement with students, but we're really seeing a lot of people build schools around ideas that don't necessarily fit inside the context of traditional schools. So one thing that is a very prime example of that is we have a biotech school where a lot of experts come and they learn and teach each other about things that are happening in the biotech space because it's developing much more rapidly than it can in the context of a university.
Okay. Well, that sounds almost like it's more of a forum almost. So how is it different in that respect?
Well, the classroom environment is really what separates it from being a forum. So a lot of times when you go into a forum, the information is one way, and it's not very social. People are arguing about things. There's a lot of useless information, and even with threading it doesn't make a lot of sense. In the classroom environment, everyone in the classroom comes in and learns something together and leaves the classroom, knowing something that they didn't before, which doesn't always happen in a forum setting. Forums are very hard to navigate. But what's really important too is that people can actually charge for the classes that they're doing, so you can build a sustainable business around education and the ideas that you're passionate about. So if you're a passionate musician and maybe you're trying to get your band out there, at the same time you can pay the bills by starting a school and teaching people who know nothing about music how to play instruments or produce music.
Now, how does this work in terms of credentials? Obviously, teachers, in a traditional setting have to have certain credentials. How does that work with this concept?
So this is much more a technology platform. So if the people involved in using the platform and the institution involved have credentials, then the school that they've created have the proper credentials. But if they're doing something, maybe even it's test preparation, or a lot of people someone came by the booth and said that they would love to start a school about fishing, right? You don't need an accredited university if you want to learn the best way to go fly fishing.
It's kind of like a how-to almost, or a place to go if you have certain passions or whatever, and you want to learn more about something. You can do a super school.
Yes, definitely. But
Super Cool School.
Super Cool School. That's definitely it. And what makes it even better is the person who comes and starts a school about learning how to do fly fishing is going to learn all sorts of other things about fishing they didn't know from people who wanted to learn fly fishing from him.
Gotcha.
So
is it just supercoolschool.com?
Yes, it's supercoolschool.com. You can see the information to sign up, start your own school. We definitely encourage you to come by and try it out. We have a 30-day trial. And you can also see schools that we have signed up. We have over 100 signed up so far since our public beta this year.
Well, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
For being here at Demo. And, well, I have to really make myself look silly right now, but I can't help it, Jason, so I'm going to do it. And I am Amanda Coulong, reporting for TechZulu.com.